Newland's octaves. Newland's periodic table. Newland was an English chemist born in London. He studied at the Royal College of Chemistry. In 1864, he began his career as an analytical chemist. In 1868, he became the chief chemist in a sugar refinery. He later gave up his work as a chemist and worked as an analyst. He arranged the 56 elements, then known in the increasing order of their atomic masses. He divided the elements into horizontal rows of 7 elements each. This was called as Newland's periodic table. He found that every 8th element had properties similar to that of the first. This trend was similar to the octaves of music, where the 8th note is similar to the first. Newland proposed a law of octaves which states that when elements are arranged in the increasing order of their atomic masses, the properties of the 8th element are similar to the first. Therefore, his classification was known as Newland's octaves. However, Newland's octaves failed because of some drawbacks. Let us discuss them. Only elements like lithium, sodium and potassium, beryllium, magnesium and calcium, and pairs of elements like boron and aluminium, carbon and silicon, nitrogen and phosphorus, oxygen and sulfur, and fluorine and chlorine showed similarities in properties. Every 8th element after calcium did not show properties similar to the first one. Another drawback was that, as more and more elements were discovered, they could not be fitted into Newland's periodic table. In certain places of the periodic table, he adjusted 2 elements which differed in properties in the same position. This was done to accommodate the existing elements. But this arrangement was not according to the law of octaves. Newland also could not include inert gases in the table because they were not discovered. Activity: can you identify Dobereiner's triads in Newland's periodic table? The elements lithium, sodium, potassium appearing in Newland's periodic table form a triad. Mendeleev tried to rectify the drawbacks in Newland's periodic table and came up with his periodic table.